Now there's three key things that people look for when they're buying a Defender. Number one, its looks. This one has those. Number two, its engine. This one's got the best. It's a D300, 300 brake horsepower, 3 litre diesel. Then people look at the key things that they'll use every day. Specification. This one has got the looks with the 22-inch wheels. It's got heated steering wheel. It's got adaptive cruise control. It's got opening sunroof. It's then got electric deployable Towbar. It's got the incredible camera system. It's got keyless entry, Meridian sound system. It is an absolute perler of a Defender 110. It's a 72. It's only done 2,000 miles. And for all the things that I've mentioned, it is a real seller for us. So if you're interested in this vehicle, then please use my number on the screen and call me. Let's have a chat about the car, part exchanges, finance, whatever it might be. So introducing this Defender 110 in Santorini Black. All-time best-selling colour. We know because we sell so many, so we know what works and what doesn't. This certainly works. It's an X-Dynamic, so you'll see this car has got some subtle colour changes to the front end, the metallic Defender badging, insert into the bumper, bottom section, front and rear. That is the X-Dynamic. It's all finished in like a metallic finish. It looks lovely. Another key feature, lift the front end, is the Matrix LED headlights with daytime running light. This has got it. X-Dynamic features as well give you the painted sections here and the arches painted. A lot of the Defenders will have just the plastic sections. That is a key feature with the painted bit. Painted checkerboarding onto the bonnet. Fixed side steps in black, but look at those wheels. 22-inch urban design wheels, which always look great on an all-black Defender. We then have privacy glass. We've got roof rails. We've got opening, tilt and sliding roof. We've got keyless entry. We've got spare wheel cover. We've got the X-Dynamic styling to the back and the towing hooks with the X-Dynamic LED rear lights. And then come inside and look at this. This is the 110s. You've got the boot space, a must for a family if you want a Defender. But then we have the deployable Towbar, which is about 1,600 quid plus VAT as an option. If you've got something to pull, this is a D300, 3 litre diesel, 300 horsepower, it'll pull anything. And that's brilliant. Then into the inside, robust decks and black ebony black, same thing, leather interior with the hard wearing exterior of the robust decks, which is stunning. You know, these are a durable car, so your seats, if you've got kids or whatever, it's perfect. Then we've got Meridian sound system, we've got Pivi Pro system, which I'll show you, which is the operating system in the Defender, automatic gearbox, heated front seats, digital climate control, opening sunroof, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, wireless smartphone interface, which for me is the best thing about these Defenders when you're driving them, because if you're on your phone a lot like me, you can use your emails, your WhatsApp, your text messages, your music, all through voice control in the car. It's seamless, it's wireless, and it's brilliant. Then inside, this vehicle's done 2,000 miles. It is like new. It's a 72. You've got balance of manufacturer's warranty and breakdown assistance remaining, so full peace of mind. Don't ring us and ask about the condition. Is there any damage on it? Because absolutely no. It's like new. Steering wheel, everything. Onto the steering wheel for that matter, we've got heated steering wheel, for me a must. It's cold in here, the steering wheel's nice and warm, I love that. You've also got adaptive cruise control with lane assist. We've got switchable digital interface behind the steering wheel, and you'll see, if you can see that, we've got the 3D Google Maps currently showing. So that's like a live view of the road, it's brilliant. Up here we've got tilt and sliding roof, I'll show you this. So obviously with a blind, it's a big feature of any car, never mind the Defender, but again, it's a lovely thing to have any or all year round. Heated front seats, climate control, all digitalized, USB and USB-C, navigation, Bluetooth. I've mentioned the smartphone interface. You've got internet, you've got four-wheel drive settings, slope assist, compass, wheel info. It goes on and on and on. This vehicle is ultimate off-road vehicle. It'll do anything you want it to do. And then we've got reversing camera. Because we've got a tow bar, we have the towing camera, off-road camera, on-road camera, and the 3D top view, full surround camera system, which we've showed you a million times in these things. So this is a real seller. It's Santorini Black. It looks brilliant. It's a 300. It's got a tow bar. There ain't none of these for sale that look like this. So that means if you want it, you've got to be quick. Use my number on the screen. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.